Assalamualaikum, my name is Farsikin, DPC 09221020. I'm from the group A and my number group is the 6. I want to describe about the adrenal glands, hormones and the functions. Function of adrenal glands to produce the hormone that help to regulate your metabolisms, immune system, blood pressure, and respond to stress and their essential function. Adrenal glands are composed two parts. One is the cortex and medulla. Cortex and the medulla adrenal glands, which are each responsible for producing different hormones. A triangle-shaped gland on top of kidney, like this peaks, and adrenal gland have two main of part. Adrenal gland medulla is inside, and adrenal gland cortex is outside. So have two of adrenal glands is right adrenal and the left adrenal. So how big are the adrenal glands? Adrenal glands are normal about a ½ inch high and 3-inch long, and they are shaped like a rounded triangles. Okay, this is adrenals, blood vessels, cortex, and capsule. Capsule is outside here, is a yellow here, and the medulla is here, brown, color brown, and the blood vessel is a blue and red, and cortex is here, cream, and this is a kidneys and adrenal glands on the kidneys. Yes.
Hi, my name is Faizah Mita Abdul. I'm from DPC 09220018. I will continue about function of adrenal cortex. The adrenal cortex produces a handful of hormones necessary for fluid and electrolytes. Valence is the body, such as cortisol or aldosterone. The adrenal cortex also makes small amounts of said hormones, but this only becomes important if overproduction is present. The three layers of the adrenal cortex are this, and this. These four hormones are essential to normal functioning body. They control many important functions, including metabolism, blood pressure, blood sugar level, pregnancy, and anything else. So that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Nur Fazila binti Shabir. I'm from DPC 09220059. I want to continue my parts. Is a function of medulla. The medulla is inner parts of your adrenal glands, and it releases your hormones such as epinephrine and norepinephrine. This hormone can help control your blood pressure, heart rate, sweating, and other activities. They also regulate by your sympathetic nervous system. Thank you.
My name is Nigeria, and my matric number is TPC 09220078. Why measure this hormone? While hormone blood tests are useful tools, they are not the same as the Dutch test. Blood and saliva tests to measure cortisol rhythms and estrogen metabolism and do not track hormone replacement as truly, not being sensitive enough to see the different level of estrogen, which can be an issue for women when it comes to trying to figure out their estrogen state and can impact on their overall health. What makes the Dutch test better than blood or saliva test is the comprehensive information that is collected with a single test. The Dutch test is well recognized for its ease of collection coupled with comprehensive reporting that is not currently available from the other tests.
Hello, my name is Khairul Nisan Yusufi binti Muhammad Khairul, DPC 09220022.
My first point is the zona glomerulosa or ZG is the most superficial layer of the adrenal cortex, and it produces the hormone aldosterone as well as some small amounts of progesterone, a sex hormone.
My second point, the zona fasciculator or ZF is the middle zone of the adrenal cortex, and it primarily produces cortisol. And my last point, zona reticularis or ZR is the innermost zone of the adrenal cortex, and it is adjacent to the adrenal medulla. Function of the zona reticularis are to the store cholesterol of steroidogenesis, the making of steroid hormone, and the secretion of sex hormone, such as estrogen and testosterone in small amounts. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sanjana Bila binti Basari, DPC 09220073. So I'm gonna talk about disorder affecting the adrenal glands. Sometimes the adrenal gland produce too much or not enough of their hormones. When this happens, it is known as adrenal glands disorder. The following section discuss the most common adrenal gland disorder: the adrenal insufficiency and addiction disease, when the adrenal glands do not make enough cortisol. It is known as adrenal insufficiency. There are types of adrenal insufficiency: primary adrenal insufficiency or addiction disease. The condition develops when the adrenal glands itself does not function well and cannot make enough cortisol. And next, how adrenal glands work to produce cortisol. Adrenal glands produce hormone in response to signal from the pituitary glands in the brain, which reaction to signal from hypothalamus, also located in the brain. This is referred to as the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis. As example, for adrenal glands to produce cortisol, when the hypothalamus produces corticotropin releasing hormones that stimulates the pituitary gland to secrete adrenocorticotropin hormones, and then ACTH stimulates the adrenal glands to make and release cortisol hormone into the blood. And last, normally both the hypothalamus and pituitary gland can sense whether the blood has the appropriate amount cortisol circulating. If there is too much or too little cortisol, this gland respectively change the amount of CRH and ACTH that get released. This is referred to as negative feedback loop. Thank you.